Good morning children. Today we will start new topic comparing numbers. Already we completed this topic before another class, but today in two digit numbers how we will comparing the numbers that we will learn first. Here given a two digit number is always more than a one digit number. For example 22. 22 is two digit number, 3. 3 is one digit number, so 22 is more than 3. So we will write like this. The sign should be towards open mouth sign would be towards 22. Okay. So another point, a two digit number also the number which comes after is more, means whichever number. So for example here 35 and 21 is given. I will take 27, 46. 27 and 46 both are two digit numbers. 27 and 46 both are two digit number. So what will happen? Which one is come first, 27 or 46? Obviously 27 will come first. So which will come and 46 will come after? So which number will come after? That will be always more. So 46 is more than 27. Okay, or we can write 27 is less than 46. Okay, so same another point is there to compare two digit number. Sorry, for example this is 35 or more than 21, means both are two digit number. So 21 is come first and 35 is come after. So which number will come after? That will be more. So 35 is more than 21 because it comes after 21. To compare two digit numbers, compare the tens place first in two digit numbers. So both the numbers are given, 35 and 75. Both numbers are there. So how we will know which one is more, which one is less? So first we will compare the tens place. First we will compare the tens place. So here example 35 and 75. 35 and 75. So first we will check our tens place. This one is our tens place. So 3 and 7. Which one is more? Obviously 7 is more. So 35 is less than 75 or 75 is more than 35. Understood? So like this 35 is less than 75, or like that you can write. Another point, if tens place is the same, then compare the ones place. So in this case what will happen, if two numbers are given, 73, 79. Okay, 73 and 79, tens place we compare first, but our tens place both are same. What we will do? Then we will compare the ones place. Which one will compare? Ones place. So what will happen? Then 3 is less than 9. So obviously 73 is less than 79, or 79 is more than 73, or we can write like this. If sign put the correct sign asking, then like this we can write. Understood? This is the comparing numbers. So steps are there. So now we will do we will solve these problems. 32 is dash than 45. 32 is dash than 11. So very easy is there. We will do that. We will compare the tens place. This one 3, this one 4. So which one is more? 45 is more and 32 is less. So we will write 32 is less than 45. Which one come? Here we will write, we will compare with that one. Okay. Now 26 is dash than 20. We will compare tens place. Both are same. Now we will compare the ones place, 6 and 0, 6 and 0. So which one is less? 0 is less, 6 is more. So 26 is more than 20. Okay. Then 74 and 79. Same, tens place, both are tens place, same. So 4 and 9 we will compare. So 4 and 9, which one is more? 9 is more, 4 is less. So 74 is less than 79. Now 88 and 77. 88 and 77. So what we will do? Both the tens place are different. So which one is more? 8 or 7? 8 is more. So 88 is more than 77. Understood? Now 84 and 78. 84 and 78, what will do? Tens place will compare 8 and 7. So 84 is, obviously 8 is more. So 84 is more than 78. Okay. So this rest other three you do yourself. Try to do. If you cannot understand, you ask me through Google Classroom. Okay, same. Put the correct sign. This sign you have to put. Which one is more? We will open mouth sign. This is open mouth sign. Okay. So which one is more? We will put the sign towards like this. So 70 to 43. Which one is more? We'll compare tens place, 7 and 4. 7 is more, so 72 is more. So we will open mouth sound towards 72. 91, 99. Tens place will compare 9 and 9 both are same. So now we will compare ones place, 1 and 9. So 9 is more and 1 is less. So towards more, our sign should be like this. Okay, now one more example. 63 and 60. 63 and 60. Both the tens place are same. So we will compare ones place, 3 and 0. So which one is more? 3 is more than 0. So we will open mouth sign towards like this. Okay. So rest other you try to do yourself. Today 6 and 7 do in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.